Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're traveling back to the golden era of American muscle to check out one of the most iconic classics ever made, the 1964 Chevrolet Corvette. Known for its bold styling, powerful performance, and unforgettable presence, the 64 Corvette represents a time when innovation and beauty came together perfectly. Let's dive right into what makes this classic legend so special. Starting with the exterior, the 1964 Corvette carries over the striking design of the second generation, C2, Stingray, but with a cleaner, more refined look compared to the 1963 model. The split rear window was removed this year, giving the car a more practical and sleek fastback design. Up front, you get those signature hidden pop-up headlights that glide open with a dramatic flair. The sharp fender lines, sculpted hood, aerodynamic profile, and fiberglass body all blend to create a look that's both aggressive and elegant. Whether you choose the coupe or the convertible, the 64 Corvette is a rolling work of art that still demands attention today. Interior. Moving to the interior, Chevrolet designed the 64 Corvette to feel sporty and premium at the same time. Inside, you'll find dual cowl styling on the dashboard, chrome accents, and a clean gauge cluster that puts everything right in front of the driver. The bucket seats are firm but comfortable, wrapped in vinyl or optional leather, depending on the trim. The three-spoke steering wheel, center console-mounted shifter, and deep-set dials create a true driver-focused cockpit. Even though it's a classic, the interior still feels surprisingly modern for its time, offering good visibility in the coupe thanks to the new one-piece rear window. Performance. Under the hood comes the real excitement, performance. The 1964 Corvette came with multiple engine choices, starting with the 327 cubic inch V8 that produced between 250 and 375 horsepower depending on the tuning. Paired with either a 4-speed manual or Powerglide automatic transmission, the Corvette delivers sharp acceleration and responsive handling. Its independent rear suspension, introduced in the C2 generation, gives it impressive stability around corners, while the lightweight fiberglass body improves speed and agility. Top configurations could hit 0 to 60 mph in about 5.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest American cars of its era. In conclusion, the 1964 Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a classic car, it's a masterpiece of American design and engineering. From its stunning Stingray body to its sporty interior and high-performance V8 power, it represents everything enthusiasts love about vintage Corvettes. Whether you're restoring one, dreaming of owning one, or just enjoying automotive history, the 64 Corvette always leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true American icon, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. See you in the next video.